The Bahá'í Faith, founded by Bahá'u'lláh in the mid-19th century in Persia, stands as one of the youngest of the world's major religions. Emerging from a backdrop of intense social, political, and religious upheaval, the Bahá'í Faith offers a comprehensive and progressive vision for the betterment of society and the spiritual growth of individuals. Bahá'í teachings are founded on several core principles aimed at fostering a harmonious and equitable world. Among these principles are the equality of men and women, the elimination of prejudice, the importance of universal education, the harmony of science and religion, and the independent investigation of truth. These principles are not only theoretical, but are also intended to be applied practically in the daily lives of Baha'is, guiding their actions and interactions within their communities and the wider world. To explore the interconnectedness and holistic nature of Baha'i teachings, we can analyze them through various triadic relationships. Each triad reveals how different principles reinforce and support one another, creating a cohesive and integrative framework for individual and social transformation. The Baha'i Faith places strong emphasis on social harmony, which is significantly fostered through the equality of men and women, the elimination of prejudice, and universal education. Gender equality is pivotal, as it not only fosters justice and mutual respect between sexes, but also contributes to reducing various forms of prejudice. Prejudice elimination, in turn, is greatly aided by universal education, which enlightens minds, promotes understanding, and breaks down societal barriers. Moreover, universal education empowers both genders equally, thereby reinforcing gender equality. This interconnectedness ensures a harmonious society where every individual has the opportunity to thrive and contribute meaningfully. In the Baha'i Faith, the triad of spiritual principles begins with the independent investigation of truth. This encourages believers to embark on a personal and sincere quest for understanding. Such a quest naturally leads to recognizing the harmony of science and religion, as both are seen as complementary ways of understanding reality. This harmony fosters a unified view of existence, which supports the oneness of humanity by transcending divisive dogmas and ideologies. Acknowledging the oneness of humanity inspires individuals to pursue truth independently, further reinforcing the integration of scientific and spiritual knowledge and promoting universal unity and understanding. The Baha'i teachings emphasize the triad of governance principles, starting with consultation. This principle is fundamental to governance and decision-making, fostering a collaborative and inclusive approach. Effective consultation leads to fair and equitable decisions, thereby establishing justice. Justice is crucial for creating conditions that facilitate world peace, as it addresses grievances and ensures fairness, thus mitigating conflicts. Conversely, the absence of consultation hinders the attainment of world peace, as decisions made without broad input and consensus are less likely to be just and acceptable to all. Thus, consultation is directly linked to achieving justice and ultimately world peace. The Baha'i Faith places a strong emphasis on ethical principles, with truthfulness being a cornerstone. Being truthful cultivates trustworthiness, as honesty builds a reputation of reliability and integrity. This trustworthiness then enhances one's ability to serve humanity, as trust is essential for meaningful and impactful service. Moreover, engaging in service to humanity reinforces trustworthiness and encourages continuous truthfulness. The absence of truthfulness undermines the ability to serve humanity effectively, as it erodes trust and cooperation. Therefore, these ethical principles are deeply interwoven, each reinforcing and sustaining the other. Personal development in the Baha'i Faith is nurtured through prayer and meditation, which provide spiritual sustenance and clarity. These practices help individuals develop detachment from material possessions, as they shift focus from the transient to the eternal. This detachment facilitates personal growth, fostering a deeper understanding of life's purpose and encouraging self-improvement. Personal growth, in turn, enhances one's commitment to prayer and meditation and strengthens detachment from material concerns. This cycle ensures a holistic development that balances spiritual and material aspects of life, promoting a well-rounded and fulfilling existence.